Hi, and welcome to Easy Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a half double crochet in the back loop. We're going to be using Wool-Ease Thick and Quick yarn in the colorway Seafoam and a 9mm crochet hook. To start the half double crochet back loop tutorial, I'm going to do a starting chain of 11. You can work your starting chain in any number. It'll still be the same. It'll work out the same as mine. Okay, there's my starting chain. Now I'm going to half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and here's the second one. So we'll half double crochet in that stitch and then every stitch across. So you insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's just a half double crochet. You're going to continue half double crocheting into every stitch across. Okay, now I've come to the last chain. I'm going to do one more half double crochet. There's our first row of all half double crochets, and now I'm going to chain 1 and turn the work, flip it over. Okay, now we're going to work in the first stitch. We're going to yarn over, but we're only going to work in the back loop of this stitch, the one I'm holding right there. Back and front, so into the back. And we're just going to make a half double crochet into that back loop. We're going to do the same thing the whole way across, into the back loop. So you can see it right there. And continue half double crocheting in the back loop the whole way across. It's really easy. Okay, we're almost at the last stitch. We're going to do one more half double crochet in the back loop, and you've completed your second row, and you can see the texture and the ridge that it's giving. So we're going to chain 1 to start the new row and turn our work. And we're going to do the same thing again. The first stitch we're going to work in the back loop, so half double crochet in that back loop. And continue working across into every stitch, half double crocheting in the back loop. And you can see how nice it looks and the texture it's giving. And one more. And that's how you do a half double crochet in the back loop. Take a look at this texture. I also wanted to mention that I'm going to link up below an infinity scarf that uses this half double crochet. So if you'd like to make this scarf using the new technique you just learned, be sure to click that link. If you want more crochet tips and patterns, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.